Guys, have you seen what's happening? Have you seen the rate of financial deceit going on in our country? Hello, my name is Faith Oyo. I am a chartered accountant, a financial analyst, and a financial planner. I help individuals and households make their best financial decisions to themselves and also for their businesses. Seeing the rate of financial deceit going on, like the scamming, the absconding of funds from individuals, I feel like these people are just so inhuman. They are ready to take your last kobo from you, not minding if it's your house rent, if it's your child school fees, or if it's your school fee. They're just ready to take it away from you and abscond. And I feel like this is going on because they have already identified that, oh, yeah, this is Nigeria and everybody is responsible for their finances. So they only take opportunity of the vulnerability that is going on, knowing that everybody wants to make more money. And not as if you've been trying to do the wrong thing, but you're actually doing it wrongly, like doing the right thing wrongly. And that is why this gap has been created for these scammers and whatever they are coming in to fill the gap and then leave you broken hearted. Because yes, after making your financial plans, you just come to realize that everything was a fake, like everything, you were just being fooled. And when you come to realize that you were actually being fooled, like, you most times don't even want to forgive yourself. But and this is why I'm coming up with this webinar. It's going to be a weekly webinar in order to educate you on the best financial choices to make in order for you to create wealth. Like, wealth creation is one thing everybody wants to do. Like, that's what you were trying to do when you were being scammed. So now it's going to be a weekly webinar to educate you on the best financial choices you should make in order to create wealth for yourself. This is just too much on everyone, and I feel like the right financial education is going to help everyone to harness their finances and also make good financial decisions for themselves. This is just to avoid the next financial loss that is coming up, because definitely this thing is going to occur and reoccur, knowing so much well that we do not have who to stand up for us, do not have who to fight for us. So they keep coming back, knowing that they can actually do this and get scot free. To avoid the next financial loss, I'll advise you to subscribe to this channel where a weekly financial education will be coming up in order to educate you and also open you up to the best investment platforms you should be investing in order to create wealth for yourself. So click on the subscription button and subscribe to this channel, and also be anticipating all the possible weekly financial education. Please say no to the next coming group and see you there. God bless you.